How to log into Paycom employee. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Paycom employee account. For that, make sure you have already created account on it. Now to get started, open any browser on your device and at the search bar of the browser type paycom.com. Then press enter to browse it. Once the page loads, you will come to this interface. Here you will find login option. Here hover your cursor to this login option and there you will be presented with three more options: client, employee and accountant. As we are going to log into Paycom employee account, so choose the second option, employee here. After clicking on it, you will be again taken to a new page. Here first you will have to type your username and in the second box type your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. To check whether it is correct or not, you can click on this eye icon at the right side and check it. Now after entering username and password, now in the third box you will have to type the 4 digits of your SSN or PIN. If in case you forgot the username and password of your account, then no worries, you can recover them by clicking on this username or password, whichever you want to recover, and follow the steps that you are provided. By doing so, you will be able to recover your username or password. Now after entering all the login credentials here, click on this login button and then you will be able to log into your Paycom employee account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.